Dear BA 5th semester basic students, today start the play A Doll's House, Act First. Already I have explained about the story of the play. Today I go through line by line of the Act 1. Nora Helmer is very busy in arranging the materials in the home on the eve of Christmas Day. She is purchasing the Christmas tree so that she is going to give a surprise gift for her husband, Torvald Helmer. So let's go through the lines. First, Nora. Hide the Christmas tree carefully, Helen. Be sure the children do not see it until this evening when it is dressed. So she is telling this to Helen, who is the worker, servant in the family. At the same time, she got it from the porter, and Helen keeps the Christmas tree in a safe place. So Nora now says to the porter, taking out her purse, how much? She is asking money, how much money that I have to give for this gift. So porter says, 6 pence. Then Nora, there is a shilling, keep the change. So she gives a shilling and she is getting the change. Porter thanks her and goes out. Nora shuts the door. She is laughing to herself as she takes off her hat and coat. She takes a pocket of macaroons from her pocket. Macaroons are the eatables, and eats one or two. Then goes cautiously to her husband's door and listens. Yes, she is listening. She is listening from outside. Her husband is working and she is hearing the sound from the room. Yes, he is in. So she confirms that her husband is inside the room. Now Helmer calls out from his room, is that my little lark twittering out there? Because Nora is started humming. So that's why in reply to this, Torvald Helmer from inside the room, he says, is that my little lark? Lark is a small hummingbird. So always she is humming, and that's why her husband probably asked her, by naming little lark, little skylark bird like this. Nora, busy opening some of the parcels. She is busy. Yes, it is. Yes, I am here, she says. Is it my little squirrel bustling out? Is there my little... Once again, he called her with the little squirrel. Is there my little squirrel working out there? This is how... Yes, she said. Helma. Why did my squirrel come home? Why did my squirrel come home? Why she has come home this much early? Just now. When did she arrive? He asked, and she says, Nora says, just now I have arrived. Puts the bag of macaroons into her pocket because she has arrived from the market, and wipes her mouth, wiping like this. Come in here, Torvald, and see what I have bought. So she called him. See, please come out of the room. What I have brought from the market, you just see it. Helma, don't disturb me. A little later, he opens the door and looks into the room. pen in hand. So little later he came out of the room. What did you say? You bought this? What do you say? You bought this? All these things? You have bought all these things from the market? Has my little spendthrift been wasting money again? So spendthrift means expensive more money, expensing more money. That is what is a spendthrift. So he called her a spendthrift. Purchasing all these goods are nothing but wasting money in his, according to him. That's why he said like this. Nora, yes, but Torvald, this year we really can let ourselves go a little. This is the first Christmas that we have not needed to economize. So this year is a special year. This is the first time we are celebrating the Christmas very grand, so that no need to minimize any expenses. What she said, Helma. Still, we can't spend money recklessly. You know very well, Nora. You know very well, because our economic condition is to that extent. You must not expend too much money. Nora. Yes, Torvald. We may be a wee bit more reckless now. May not be just a tiny wee bit. You are going to have a big salary and earn lots and lots of money. Yes, she agrees, but we are spending more money this time. But she is very happy to have one idea that he is going to be promoted in a bank as the manager. So she is expecting some more money from his salary next month. Helma. Yes, after the new year, but then it will be a whole quarter before the salary is due. So not now. His salary is going to raise when he became the manager of the bank, and it is after a few months, not a sudden he is going to get the money. No. Oh, we can borrow until then. So when do you get the new salary? Maybe 3 months, 4 months after. Let borrow money from somebody to make expenses. That's what the idea of Nora. Helma. Nora goes up to her and takes her playfully by the ear. So making some tricks playfully. And he says something in her ear. The same little featherhead. Suppose now that I borrowed 50 pounds today. See, I have already bought 50 pounds of money from somebody, and you spend it all in the Christmas week. And I think you are spending all this in the month of this Christmas, and in the week of this Christmas, and then on the New Year's Eve, a slate fell on my head and killed me. So when it comes to the New Year, it is almost much expenses on my head. And Nora, putting her hands over his mouth, oh, don't say such horrid things. Don't mind. Don't say any such horrid things. Helma, still suppose that happened, what then? So if anything happened, because you are spending more money, if anything happened, what to do? This is what Torvald Helma says to his wife, to make less and less expenses.